Hi, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can create quizzes using this website by your notes or images. Okay, so first of all, you need to open this website. I already opened this website. Okay, if you didn't logged in, you just need to make sure you are logged in, and after that, you can click on like if once you are logged in, you can either see student dashboard or teacher dashboard. Because right now I am a teacher, I need to click on teacher dashboard like I clicked, and I will be logged into my dashboard. And now you can see there's a create new quiz button. You just need to click on it and you would be in this box. Okay, so now what you need to do, you can upload documents, you can type text, you can upload YouTube web pages or audio or images. Because right now I already explained everything except images, so in this video I will be explaining how you can add images. Okay, so we just need either we can capture it with camera if you're on mobile phone, or you can just drag and drop the images. So now I'm on my PC, so I can only drag and drop the images. So I will click on it and I will select some images. So these images can be from your books, from your notes, from your study materials, or anything. Okay, so I'm just exploring some images from my book. Maybe let's take some image from here. Okay, let's take this image. Okay, so this is some notes. Okay, I will select this image, I will click on next, and I will be able to select my complexity. I want to make it hard. Only 5 questions are enough, and point per question would be 5, so each question will get 5 points, and quiz language would be the same, and deadline I want to set like 21. And I want to randomize question so student can avoid cheating, and I click on review. Now it will only take few seconds and it will generate a quiz for us, so let's wait for it, and after that we will be move forwarding. There you go, you can see the quiz has been created. You can see each and everything, like everything is from my notes images, like each and everything is from their context. So now I have an option to either export as Excel or export as a PDF. I can edit the question, like if I want to make sure that question answer is different, I can do that. I can change the question text, I can add explanations, but right now everything is okay. So I will click on publish quiz. I will either generate cover image with AI, but right now I don't want to generate image with AI, but I have specific cover image in my file explorer, so I will select that. Let's take this one. Okay, I just taken that, and now I will click on publish quiz. So when I click on publish quiz, what it will do actually, so if I click on add to public library, and it would be showing here in public library, otherwise I can make it private. So I will obviously make it public. I will click on publish quiz. Now it will only take few seconds and it will publish the quiz here. Now you can see quiz has been published, and now I can see all of the options here. Okay, but before that I want to show you something. If I go to public library, now your quiz will be showing here because we just uploaded it from my profile, so my quiz is there. So it means this quiz is public. Now anyone can browse this quiz, anyone can take this quiz, like your student can take this quiz and everything. So now each and everything is working well. Now if I go to all test like that, and if I click on this quiz, okay, you can see the complete dashboard. Okay, you can see the complete dashboard here, public statistics, and right now I didn't assign this quiz to any class, so I can do that right now. So here you can see all of the student submissions, here you can see the questions, here you can see the enrolled students, here you can see shared and QR code. But as you can see, I have some classes here, my groups, but I need to assign that quiz to specific class. So I will go to my test and I will click on assign button here, and I will choose any of the class, or I can create a new class. But right now I think to test this quiz, I will assign to that test class. I will click on that, and now I can see the copy link button or QR code that I can share with my student. But apart from that, I can have more post data. Like if I want to share that quiz with some text, I can click on that test. Okay, now I will see one class here because I already assigned to that class. Now if I click on share and QR code, I will click on that class, And now I have a lot of share options, like I have invite link, I have QR code, I have WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and each and everything is there. Okay, so you can easily share with your student. So this is how you can create test and how you can assign to the classes. You can also click on this button to assign from here. If you want to assign to any other class, you can just click on assign, and now you click on done. Now your test is assigned to two specific classes. Okay, and if I click over here, if I change the class, it will update the link and post. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you want to create more classes, you can navigate to my groups, and you can click on create class, and here you can type the class name and you can create it. So after creating a class, you can click on view details and you can add your students here. Like you can add students by CSV file, or you can just add students like by inviting them. So this is invite to the group, not to the test. So when you invite this specific link to the students, they will be in your group. Okay, and after that, if you assign any test to this class, they would be automatically joined to or automatically enrolled to that specific class. So this is how it works. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will be explaining you the more things about this platform. And because this is right now free platform, it offers free tests for the students and teachers, so you can try it for free. And if you have a plan, you can upgrade the plan. Okay, so this is how student dashboard look like, and this is how teacher dashboard look like. And if you scroll down, you can see how it works. You upload your documents, AI generates question, and you can review and assign the test to any class. Okay, and this is how it convert PDF into quiz. This is how you can customize your settings. Right now there are lot more options. Okay, and here you can take your quiz and get instant feedback. So these are manual quiz creation versus automatic quiz creation. You can obviously read each and everything on the landing page, and I hope you will like it, and you can see the feedback and reviews. Okay, that's it for this video. You can also click on any specific subject to take test on specific subject. Okay, so you can do that. I hope you like this, and in the next video I'll be explaining more topics. Thank you. Have a good day.